Hola everyone, it's Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. We are here today at First Landing in Vuda, and we are supporting Ravina Lata, one of our awesome sales reps who can also represent you out here in Fiji. You can see we are coming into some beautiful open flat lots that we have for sale. You can come and build your dream home right where I am standing. The beach is literally walking distance just further ahead of us there. These are quarter-acre lots for sale, 240,000 Fijian dollars, and they've got about a little over 85 years left with an annual payment of just around 1,000 Fijian dollars, so very, very minuscule. But you will be able to own something, walk to the beach. More importantly, if you have a boat, you're going to be able to walk from your house, get onto your boat with all your provisions, and enjoy the Fiji lifestyle right here in Vuda. And that's spelled V-U-D-A for my friends overseas. Very famous for boaties, yachties, where you can get to all the Mamanutha Islands, the Asawa Islands, loads of places where you can go fishing and kayaking and surfing and scuba diving and snorkeling. What an amazing place where you can do all that. We've got some friends here joining us today. So listen, go to professionalsfiji.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Banaka.